Hey everyone, good morning. I hope you all are good. So in this video, I am gonna discuss my IBPS clerk mains attempts plus I am gonna share my SBI PO mains results also. Okay, and one thing I wanna tell you in the start of the video is that my IBPS clerk mains was not good at all. Okay. For the Republic Day sale, Textbook is providing their yearly pass at 399 rupees. And in this yearly pass, you will get access to all the mock test of SSC banking and railway examinations. So there are around 250 plus mock test and there are topic tests also provided by Textbook. And if you are a beginner, then Textbook is the best with which you can start your preparation because the level of Textbook mocks are really good, and if you start with textbook then it will boost your confidence, and after that you can use the high level mocks. So the link of textbook mock test will be given in the description, and by using my code you will get extra 59 rupees discount. Plus right now there is 70% off going on Guidelist PDF course, and in this PDF course you are getting all the PDF courses of the upcoming banking examinations of 2022 plus their platinum mock test package. Okay, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. So for IBPS clerk mains, first I will tell about my result. So my SBI PO mains result is positive. I have been shortlisted for the interview, and I am not making any separate video for SBI PO mains result because there is no reason of bluffing around for selection in interview. So in this video I am gonna share my IBPS clerk mains result. So the first thing I wanna tell you is that I got the worst center of my life in this examination. Like the height of the chairs was so small and the height of desk was very much up, so I was not able to write comfortably, and I was not able to solve the questions comfortably while sitting on the chair because their height was too much low according to the desk. Then the second thing was the screen of the pieces were very much small. I have not seen that much small pieces in my entire life. And then the third thing is the mouse. It was not working properly. After pressing for five times, I was able to move to next question. So I was not able to see all the questions of quants and reasoning also. Like I was a bit hesitant to move to next question because I had to press the mouse 3 to 4 times to reach to the next question. So first I will discuss about my attempts and then I will give you a detailed analysis. So in GA I have attempted 40 questions. Okay, and out of 40 question 20 are correct and 20 are wrong. It's a tragedy, and I know I am not going to make through this examination. Then English, like it is my strongest subject, English, and I was not able to manage my time due to the mouse problem and due to the lagging of the screen. The screen was lagging so much after like when I was trying to move to the next question, it was lagging so much that it was taking around 5 to 6 seconds to show the next question. So I was not able to manage my time in English at all. But yeah, I tried to attempt 39 questions in English, and I was not able to mark the 40th question because of the PC. Like I am fed up with that. Then in reasoning I attempted 20 questions, and in quants I have attempted 22 questions. In quants there were two caselet DIs. One was of around, I think, some boys, male and female something. But I was not able to solve that. I was able to solve the another DI, but I am not able to remember. So the first caselet which I solved was of mixtures, and it was very easy. It was very easy, the mixture caselet. Then I solved the other DI also, which was also caselet, but I am not able to remember. And in maths, then I attempted some approximation and number series questions, and there were quadratic equation questions also. So it was like quant was quite moderate. And in reasoning I was not able to see all the questions because of the screen lagging, and it did not go well at all. Because I could have attempted more questions, I was not able to attempt the critical reasoning questions also. I have only attempted like 3 to 4 critical and then the miscellaneous questions. So but I'm gonna not gonna say anything about it because I know I'm not gonna make through this one. So these are my attempts, but yeah, I'm not gonna fill that center again in my whole life. The condition was so much bad there. like there was no checking for mains examination at all, like there was no checking or anything. And the like that was very cheap. The center, the condition of the center was not that much good. So but I can't do anything now, and these are my attempts. So whoever have good attempts, like all the best to you all, and that is all. Thank you.